Investigative reporter Jeremy Rogalski found a number of accidents and safety violations in this company's history. Jeremy, what went wrong and when?
Well, Reka, over the past dozen years, at least 3 employees were hospitalized, and one safety violation we found, according to federal records, posed a risk for fire and explosion.
On YouTube, you can get a look inside Watson Grinding and Manufacturing before the massive early morning explosion. A machine shop of heavy equipment, including these thermal sprayers, which add a protective coating to metal parts. Think of Teflon on a frying pan. The process uses flammable gases, and in 2008, federal safety regulators cited the company for not checking the gas system for leaks, exposing employees to serious hazards of explosion and fire. That violation and 3 others in 2008 led to a $10,250 penalty. In 2013, the company was fined more than $13,000 after an accident resulted in amputation. 2 years later, another amputation when an employee's finger got caught in a lathe. The latest accident on file at the plant occurred in June 2019. An employee was hospitalized from falling equipment. An 800-pound metal shaft crushed the worker's stomach.
Now, we also checked for environmental violations, any breaking of air or water quality laws. We found none of those over the past 10 years.